Smalls, the one and only rock star farmer with the Seekret Family Farm LLC, located here in Walterboro, South Carolina. Yo, today's video, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit different style of smoking cigarettes. You know, smoking cigarettes may not be good, but neither is jaywalking, fast food, or any other thing that people do that ain't good for you. But I'm gonna tell you the way that works for me with rolling cigarettes. You get this pack of some cigarette tubes. You get 200 in a box. It comes like that. Get you a bag of tobacco. It comes in like, you can get menthol, non-menthol, you can get whichever kind you like, but it usually comes in like a pound. They have smaller bags. They have smaller section of these cigarettes. And you know, to be honest, Newport, Montego, Marlboro, everybody, this is how they get their cigarettes, but they do it on a major scale. However, this tobacco here is way fresher, is way better than the average tobacco that you already get in the store. So, you know, what makes it a lot easier is this roller right here. All you gotta do is put a little bit of tobacco in this roller, just like this. Don't overstuff it. Just put it in there. Put one of these cigarette tubes, just like this. Put it on this side. Push the button, and it rolls you up a nice little cigarette. You see what I'm saying? And I got my own Rockstar cigarettes. I need to put my little thing on there. I've been using these because these packs are reusable. So like we're doing this, I don't have cigarette packs laying around that I gotta keep throwing away. All I gotta do is load a little bit of tobacco in like this. Not too full, just enough. You put the tube on there. You got you a nice little cigarette. And just like that, and it don't even take no time at all to just one by one, load it up. Because I know people be like, oh, I only smoke Newports, I only smoke Marlboros, I only smoke these kind of cigarettes. But like, you think Marlboro care about you? You think Newport care about you? No. So what I'm just saying is, if you gonna smoke, smoke good and get these bags, this pound bag, these 200 cigarettes, cause like this one bag will get you 2 boxes. So that's like 400, you're gonna get 500 cigarettes out of this one bag. So that's like about 30 packs. That's a carton and a half out of one bag. And yo, these bags like this, when you go to the vape store, they're only like $15. And this right here is $5. So for $20, I get like 30 packs of cigarettes. Got this roller, you can just keep rolling, you know what I mean? So it's easy, it ain't rocket science, it's 2025. If you're gonna smoke, roll up your own cigarettes, get your own thing. Like I'm James Smalls, the one and only Rockstar farmer. So hey, I make my own Rockstar cigarettes. I hand roll them, just like that. Put them in this little machine. And voila, you got you a nice little cigarette. And just like that, you ain't gotta go to no store. You ain't gotta wait in line. You see, I got to the point where I was smoking like a pack a day. And I mean, every day I had to go to the Dollar General. Every day I had to go to that store to get my cigarettes. Now, for the past 5-6 months, I've been doing this, and I don't go to Dollar General as much. I haven't been buying packs of cigarettes. So this is something very efficient that works. If you want to smoke, roll your own cigarettes. And I'm James Smalls, the one and only Rockstar farmer with the Seekret Family Farm LLC. And that's how we do it over here. Thank y'all for watching my video.